Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, September 9th. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. We're here near the St. Johns River in Jacksonville, Florida. Right here, this is St. Catherine's nursing home. As you can see, it is been boarded up in preparation for the storm. There's been quite a lot of businesses and houses that have boarded up their houses in preparation of the storm that's supposed to hit either late Sunday or Monday. Here is the river. The tide is high. I don't know whether you can see the dock over here. Normally the water's about a foot lower than that, so it's a little bit more of a high tide than normal. Everyone is getting ready for the storm that's headed this way. Unfortunately, I have been required to stay to help with storm preparation, so I will be staying in town and riding the storm out. I'm praying for the storm to do as little damage as possible. I don't know whether you can see it on the video or not, but we're getting a misting rain here. So far this morning, on and off, we've gotten some rain. We've got some pretty stiff winds so far. I know it's going to get a lot worse than this the closer the storm approaches. The people that have wanted to evacuate, they should have already been out of here. It's actually the very last moment. If you want to leave, now is your last chance. I am actually, like I said, going to be riding out the storm because I'm going to be called upon to deal with storm damage. So wish me luck. I pray for everybody else, all my fellow Floridians. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them down. Shoot me a message. If I'm able to, I'll be posting some further updates. Take care. God bless.